We begin this afternoon with a highly anticipated hearing for a Texas death row inmate, which is still going on right now at the state capitol.
Robert Roberson's execution was temporarily stayed just days ago. He spent more than 2 decades on death row for the death of his 2-year-old daughter. Late this afternoon, we learned that Robert Roberson would not appear at the state capitol to testify.
But some high-profile names did speak in his defense. Our Matt Houston joins us now from the newsroom to get us up to speed on the case today. Matt?
Guys, good evening. Lawmakers invited Robert Roberson to testify today primarily to delay his execution. But they say they do actually want to hear from the 57-year-old. It just won't happen today. In fact, it's not clear when he'll testify because the Attorney General's office and House committee members cannot agree on how it should happen. The AG has questioned whether it would be safe for the Capitol to host a death row inmate. He argues Roberson should instead testify by Zoom. But Roberson has autism, and his attorneys fear he is more likely to be misjudged if he appears on a computer screen. Lawmakers today agreed and said if they have to, they'll go to prison to hear him.
Video conference is poorly suited for Robert specifically to provide his testimony and would only further the harm he's already suffered. When I thought about the accommodations to be made, I considered his needs as a person with a disability above all other things.
The committee is still negotiating with the Attorney General's office to resolve that issue. Today's meeting went on without Roberson. So far, lawmakers have heard from Dr. Phil and author John Grisham, who've each said the courts failed Roberson. And for the first time, Governor Greg Abbott today weighed in on this case, though he's not said whether he believes Roberson deserves a new trial. Instead, he says the legislature has crossed a line. We'll have more on that at 6.